If Facebook is asking for a login code, but you're not receiving anything on your phone, your account is not broken. Facebook is not down. You just don't know the correct recovery method. And in the next 2 minutes, I'll show you the exact fix that works on Android and iPhone. Let's go. Hey everyone, welcome back to Preyo Phonie, the channel where we turn normal users into smart digital problem solvers. Every single day, thousands of people get locked out of Facebook because SMS code doesn't arrive, phone notification never shows, approval screen gets stuck. I've personally tested this method across multiple devices, and today I'll walk you through the safest and fastest solution step by step. No guesswork, no fake tricks, only real solutions. Let's fix your login problem. Step-by-step fix process. Step 1. Open Facebook app. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Make sure you are connected to stable internet, mobile data, or Wi-Fi. This is important for verification. Step 2. Enter login details. Now enter your mobile number, your Facebook password, double-check spelling and numbers. Then tap Login. Step 3. Approval screen appears. Now Facebook may show this message, waiting for approval. It may take a few minutes to get the notification on your other device. This is where most users get stuck. If no notification arrives, you don't have access to the other device. Nothing happens for minutes. Don't panic. Step 4. Tap Try another way. Below that message, tap Try another way. This is your recovery shortcut. Step 5. Choose alternative verification method. Now Facebook will show multiple options such as a WhatsApp code, email, Gmail, Yahoo, another trusted device, backup verification. Choose the option that is easiest for you. In this example, I selected email verification, Gmail. Then tap Continue. Before we jump in, if you want Facebook recovery tips, account security tutorials, real problem-solving tech content, make sure you subscribe to Preyo Phonie, because we post solutions that actually work. Now let's unlock your account. Step 6. Enter email code. Now open your Gmail. You will receive a 6-digit Facebook security code. Copy that code. Go back to Facebook. Paste the code. Tap Confirm. Step 7. Login successful. Boom! Your Facebook account opens instantly. No waiting. No stress. No lockout. Problem solved. Why this method works. Value add section. This method works because email verification is faster than SMS, avoids carrier message delay, bypasses broken notification system, works even if phone SIM is inactive, more reliable for account recovery. Professional creators and security experts always recommend using email backup access. Important pro security tips, high authority section. After logging in, do this immediately. 1. Change your password. Use strong password, upper plus lowercase, numbers plus symbols. 2. Turn on two-factor authentication. Go to Settings, Password and Security, Two-factor authentication. Enable Authenticator app, the email backup. This protects you from hackers. 3. Enable login alerts. Turn on alerts so Facebook notifies you when new device logs in, new location appears. This gives you instant control. Bonus tip, extra retention boost. Always keep email access active, phone number updated, backup codes saved. Because recovery options, jack account survival. Now you know exactly how to fix Facebook login code not received problem without wasting hours or resetting your account. Remember, smart users don't panic. They use the correct solution. If this video helped you, like this video, share with someone who is locked out, subscribe to Preyo Phonie, because here, we don't guess, we solve. See you in the next powerful tech video.